gang, and we back with another one. It's your boy Silk Living, and we back with another video. Alright guys, I have another review as well as I have an install. So I've been in the comments, I'm talking to a few how do I say it, firearm individuals or people who also got guns, who have the G2 like myself, also doing installations like myself. And one of my boys have convinced me to upgrade on my grip. Boom. So we have the Hogue hand-all grip sleeves. And these are specifically designed for the Millennium Taurus G2 or PT111. You can put this, I'm pretty sure this will fit your G2C, your 3 and your 3C. I'm pretty sure it'll fit all these because the frame is the same. Like, it is what it is. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I have a 17 round in here. So this is what we're looking like. So you can see the grip right here. This is the grip. Along with that, you know, make sure you check out that video. How you wondering how I got that trigger. So that's what we looking like. Now, I'm gonna take this out because, you know, we rock loaded. Safety off. But, you know, you want to show everybody that she's empty. So that's what it looks like. And I went with black. I was going to do green because of the sights, and y'all know I carry a beam on here. But I did it because I wanted it to have a tactical look. And you see it. It goes all the way. Check that out. It goes all the way around. It looks good. It has a wider feel, especially with the new trigger. Oh my Lord, I love it. I haven't shot it yet. I'm still slowly getting out to a lot of different places. I did go inside of a gun range to just have a conversation about buying ammo and, you know, can I get ammo from them because I don't want to use all I got. But I will be doing some videos for you guys. So I just want y'all to see what we're working with. They got green, blue, I think like a red, but it kind of look pink to me, and black. So I just went with tactical black. So, you know, it used to look like this. That's the regular. And to me, it has a Glock 26 feel now. That wide back, you know, if you know our backs, and this is empty too. You know, our backs are our feel of it. It's thin. You know what I'm saying? It's real thin compared to this, and that's way more thicker. So like I said, I'm still going tactical. And I was like, you know what? He told me I'm gonna love the grip, and once I got it, that feels great. Now it do feel different. Maybe my wife had it. She was like, yeah, this feel a little loose, and it was. When I would shoot it, it would still slip out my hands. I don't really wear gloves, and I'm pretty sure in a self-defense situation, I'm not gonna have on no gloves. But even this just fit. The gun feels different. It feels totally different. Grip and trigger. And y'all know from my last video, look at that. Look at that take up. Wow, right there. Right there, hold up. Okay, still holding it. Hold on. This ain't even about that, but I gotta show it to you. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Look how much take up I got now. Remember we used to have to go far back? Look, that was it. Single action, baby. So, you know what I'm saying? Loving it. So today, I had bought two. Because usually I'll buy one for the gun and then I gotta go back and get another one. I'm still trying to get my threaded barrel for this one. So, and I'm still trying to get another sight for this one, identical. But anyway, we installing these today, so let's get right into them. They say that you can put them in the water. They say you can use a blow dryer to heat it up. To be honest with you, this took me about 30 minutes to put on while watching TV, and I just slid it on. You know, I don't think I used anything. I think I just slid it on. It is tough. It's not easy. it is tough. So see how it is. I'm just gonna. It's like super simple, just a sleeve. But what I like about it, what I love about it, is more grip. This is a better grip. So let me slide this on. And if you're wondering how I got this on, this is how I did it. Back with the back end, just like this, right here in the front. And then I force it down. Grab this little lip, top part. So I'm basically gonna force it in. That's how I got it in last time. So there we go. See how I'm still forcing it in. Down, pull this over. That's how I was doing mine. So I ended up taking the slide off just so I can lay my hand flat on here and slide it up. But basically, I just keep basically what I'm doing. Because you probably can't do this, just slide it on. You may have to heat yours up. You may have to put like some, a little oil or something, or kind of make it slick to slide on. But you can see I'm not doing none of that. I'm just slowly working different sides of it. And then she's sliding right on. She's doing wonderful. Then I'm getting closer to the edges, and I just keep working the bottom of it. Just keep opening the bottom, stretching it. Every time you stretch it, you slide it. Because it's still sliding. So, just keep stretching the edges, stretching the bottom, and then just keep sliding. And this, I go right at the edge. And I don't have an issue. You know what I'm saying? I don't have an issue. You know, and I don't have to slap it in there, but boom. So there's nothing. It's right above, so it's not stopping me from loading the mag in. But just keep sliding. Just keep on sliding. All right. So then once I pretty much got it on, I go ahead and you know, put the slide back on. And then flip it upside down. And now I'm pulling it from, you know, the bottom now. Just kind of pushing it down. And now it's sliding right over where I want it to go. Now, I paid about $30, $35. Now I went on the actual website for these. I tried to go on Amazon, but Amazon shows so many similar grips to this, and I just didn't want to get the wrong one because they're just too similar. And I know there are fitments for other guns, but if you go on their website, and like I said, I'm not sponsored by them, but if you go on their website, they even have like a army tan or a tactical tan. You know, if you're looking for, like I said, something bright. Y'all know I'm trying to make mine discreet as possible. So look, it's finally raked over like I like it, just like it is on my other firearm. Right, see, I was right over it. See that? It's up close. See that? It's right over the lip. That's exactly how I want it. So there we go. Y'all tell me, is that tactical or not? That's a Taurus. You know what I'm saying? People talk shit about, you know, Taurus, but come on now. Come on now. She looking good. She is looking good. That's a 17. You feel me? So that's nice. That feels great. That feels great. Both of them do. Both of them feel amazing. That feels, love it. So y'all tell me what y'all think. Tactical. You know what I'm saying? Safety up on that, but ain't nothing in there, but still, ain't one in the chamber. But you know. So I got a few more things, man, and she about done, bro. That feels great. That was great. Now I don't know if I'm gonna put the sticks in there and leave them like that, because I was thinking about doing the wall how your stuff should be set up. I'm also thinking about getting I was a big Desperado fan, so I was thinking about getting the guitar case and doing it like the guns. You know what I'm saying? I thought that'd be cool for the channel. You know, just jump in the comments, man. Tell me what y'all thinking about, what you feeling, what you think I should do, or just some options, man. People tell me to do things all the time. I'm going to get another Taurus though. It's gonna be a G3, full size or G3C. I don't know. I'm leaning more towards the G3C because I want to go more tactical than this. There's a lot of things on here that I don't need. You know, there's a lot of extra shit on here. But, you know, I went for a tactical cool factor. I wanted to look good and I wanted to perform. But it's a few things on here that, like I said, you don't have to do. But everything on here is cheap. The most expensive thing on there is the threaded barrel and the laser, which, like I said, my battery just died. So I took it down. And I'm trying to find another one. And it just recently was out. So, you know, that shit's expensive. Other than that, that's it. So, check them out. There we go. And like I said, that's for a G2. And it's a rubber grip, man. They got different colors. You don't need one. Okay? Everything I put on my gun, you don't need. You don't have to go and do. It's just if you feel like you need one. I feel like I needed a grip. And it's got a wider feel for me, like the Glock 26, which is another gun that I really like a lot. Glocks, in my opinion, have a wide feel. And, you know, Glocks are really good guns. So, in my opinion, this has a wider neck or a wider back. And it just feels comfortable. It feel like even if the gun was a recoil, which I don't think it will now with all this shit on here, as much. The gun already didn't recoil bad, but I feel like I have so much control because it fits in the palm of my. It fits like, you know what I'm saying. It don't fit like this, like I'm over gripping it. It feels solid. The trigger, you know, I don't know if you remember or if you still have yours. You haven't changed yours. You probably could put your finger through your trigger, all the way through, and that's not how you shoot a gun. It's not. You're not supposed to over. With this flat, see how flat that is? How flat that is? Man, that feels so much. That feels so much better. That feels so much better. Trigger is one of the best upgrades. So, like I said, the grip is a must, bro. For me, us big guys, big hands, you know what I'm saying? It's a must. So, that's pretty much it, man. I ain't trying to ramble. Sorry if I did. But I miss you guys. And we come back on more content. I'm going to try to dump as much as I can, man. But necessary shit, though. Ain't no bullshit. We ain't capping over here. So, y'all take it easy. This is another one. I am your boy, Silk Living. And always take care of your family and your friends. Wear a mask. And each other. We living.